Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a team on Homescapes application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a team on Homescapes, firstly go ahead and launch open your Homescapes application. You will end up on the home page of your Homescapes account. Tap on play button. On the next page, click on question mark icon at the bottom left corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on create team option. Enter your team's name, team's description, type, request level and tap on create. This is how you can create a team on Homescapes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.